Hey makeup lovers, welcome back to Council Craft. Today I'm super excited to show you how to master the soft glam makeup look, perfect for date nights, parties, and elegant events. Ready to get that flawless, radiant complexion? Let's dive in. First things first, we need to prep our skin. For oily skin, grab a gel-based cleanser to banish that excess oil. Dry skin folks, a hydrating cream cleanser is your BFF for keeping that skin plump. Combination skin, a balancing cleanser will work wonders. Next, exfoliate your skin a day before with a gentle AHA-BA exfoliant. Trust me, this step is crucial for a smooth texture. Harsh scrubs? No thanks. We want gentle and effective. Now let's hydrate. For dry skin, reach for a hyaluronic acid serum. Oily skin? A niacinamide serum will be your hero, controlling oil and refining pores. Lock it all in with a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer. Bonus points if it has brightening ingredients like vitamin C. And if you're heading out during the day, don't forget your SPF. Choose one that won't cause flashback in photos. Alright, on to the makeup. Start with a primer suited to your skin type, mattifying for oily skin, hydrating for dry skin. Then, apply a semi-matte foundation for that perfect polished glow. For the eyes, blend soft browns, warm taupes, or champagne shades to create a sultry effect. Add a hint of shimmer on the lid for some extra elegance. And don't forget those lashes. Wispy false lashes for a natural look, or go bold with volumizing mascara. Time to contour and highlight. Use a cool-toned contour to sculpt your face and highlight with a subtle champagne or gold shade. For blush, peachy tones suit warm undertones, while soft rose or mauve works beautifully on cool undertones. Apply it on the apples of your cheeks and blend upward for a lifted look. Finish off with a matte nude or soft pink lipstick. Line your lips for definition and apply a creamy matte or satin lipstick. Finally, set everything in place with a long-lasting setting spray. Matte for oily skin, hydrating for dry skin. And there you have it. That's how you achieve the perfect soft glam makeup look for any special occasion. What's your go-to glam shade? Peachy, nude, or soft pink? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, stay fabulous.